Welcome back to Daily Drives, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels. If you love cars, bikes, and everything in between, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today we have something exciting lined up, an in-depth look at the Jacavo J8 2026, the latest SUV that's making waves in the market. So buckle up and let's dive into all the details that make this vehicle stand out. The Jacavo J8 2026 is an SUV that blends ruggedness, luxury, and technology into one solid package. Designed to take on urban streets and off-road trails alike, this new release from Jacavo has captured the attention of SUV enthusiasts worldwide. If you're someone who craves adventure but also enjoys the finer things in life, the J8 might just be the perfect vehicle for you. Let's start with the exterior design. One glance at the Jacavo J8 and you'll immediately notice its bold and aggressive styling. The front fascia boasts a massive grille with a striking pattern that gives it a commanding road presence. Flanked by sleek LED headlights, the J8 has a futuristic look that perfectly blends elegance with toughness. The sculpted lines on the hood and sharp creases along the sides enhance its aerodynamic profile, making it not just visually appealing, but also functionally efficient. The rear features a sleek LED taillight design that spans across the width, giving the SUV a modern and premium feel. Sitting on large alloy wheels with an aggressive stance, this SUV is ready to tackle any terrain while turning heads on the streets. Let's talk interior. Stepping inside the cabin, you're welcomed by a spacious and luxurious interior that rivals premium brands. The first thing that catches your attention is the high-quality materials used throughout the cabin. Soft-touch leather, brushed aluminum accents, and ambient lighting that elevates the overall aesthetic. The seats are ergonomically designed with ample bolstering, providing both comfort and support for long journeys. Whether you're in the driver's seat or a passenger, you'll appreciate the plush feel and attention to detail. The dashboard is dominated by a massive touchscreen infotainment system, seamlessly integrated with the digital driver's display. This setup ensures that all controls and information are easily accessible, reducing distractions while driving. The infotainment system supports the latest connectivity features, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring that you stay connected without the hassle of wires. The sound system, tuned for premium acoustics, provides an immersive audio experience, making every drive enjoyable. Now, let's talk about performance. The Jacavo J8 is powered by a turbocharged engine that delivers an impressive balance of power and efficiency. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling rugged trails, the J8 engine ensures a smooth and responsive ride. The advanced all-wheel drive system adapts to different terrains, providing maximum traction and stability. Paired with an intelligent suspension setup, the J8 absorbs road imperfections effortlessly, ensuring a comfortable ride for all occupants. When it comes to driving dynamics, the J8 G8 offers multiple drive modes to cater to different conditions, from eco mode for fuel efficiency to sport mode for a more spirited drive. This SUV adapts to your driving preferences. The steering is precise, and the braking system is responsive, ensuring confidence behind the wheel. Off-road enthusiasts will appreciate the SUV's high ground clearance, skid plates, and hill descent control, making it a capable performer in challenging terrains. Safety is a top priority in the Jacavo J8, and it comes packed with an array of advanced safety features. Equipped with a 360-degree camera, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and lane-keeping assist, the J8 provides peace of mind on the road. The SUV also includes automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, and a robust airbag system, ensuring maximum protection for all occupants. Whether you're driving in the city or exploring off the beaten path, the Jacavo J8 prioritizes safety without compromising on performance. Fuel efficiency is another area where the J8 excels. Thanks to its intelligent engine technology and aerodynamic design, this SUV offers a competitive fuel economy, making it a great choice for long-distance travelers and daily commuters alike. The hybrid variant, if available, will further enhance efficiency, making the J8 an eco-friendly option for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint. Let's not forget about the technology and convenience features that elevate the overall driving experience. The Jacavo J8 comes equipped with a smart voice assistant that allows you to control various functions without taking your hands off the wheel. From adjusting the climate control to setting navigation destinations, the voice command system adds a layer of convenience. The SUV also offers a wireless charging pad, multiple USB ports, and a panoramic sunroof that enhances the sense of space inside the cabin. For families, the Jacavo J8 provides ample cargo space and versatile seating configurations. Whether you're heading on a road trip or just running errands, the spacious trunk ensures you have enough room for all your essentials. The rear seats can be folded down to accommodate larger items, adding to the SUV's practicality. Now let's talk about pricing and availability. While official pricing may vary based on the region and trim levels, the Jacavo J8 is expected to offer great value for money, especially considering its premium features. It competes with other top-tier SUVs in its segment, and given Jacavo's commitment to quality and innovation, the J8 is poised to make a strong impact in the market. So, who is the Jacavo J8 for? If you're someone who loves a combination of luxury, technology, and rugged performance, this SUV is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for families, adventure seekers, and anyone looking for a premium yet capable vehicle that doesn't compromise on style or safety. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to appreciate the thought and engineering that has gone into making the Jacavo J8 a standout in the SUV segment. From its bold exterior to its tech-laden interior, powerful performance, and comprehensive safety features, it's clear that Jacavo has put in the effort to create a vehicle that caters to modern drivers' needs. And that's a wrap on our in-depth look at the Jacavo J8 2026. What do you think about this SUV? Is it something you'd consider for your next ride? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow car enthusiasts. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Daily Drives and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned for more exciting content.